Hey guys, Leo here. It's been a while since been on my main channel 2 years ago, and it's been 2 months if you're watching this on my second channel. And there's going to be some changes that I'll be making, and which is what this video is for. So people who've been wondering on my second channel where I've been for the past 2 months, there's exams, especially my art exam that's coming up. So I spend most of the time doing my art exam and not really focusing on my YouTube channel or anything like that. And the second thing is I've been thinking a lot about maybe going back to my main channel, my first channel, which is Leoshi Sama. Mainly because this might sound really, really bad, guys, but mainly because it's got more subscribers on that channel. And now that's the only reason that I am starting to use my main channel is because it gets more views. But um, because I mean, it's always nice to have a lot of people watch your art and appreciate your art. Um, And with that said, I'm not saying that it's not nice having my art appreciated by a smaller kind of group, which is my second channel. But I'm still really grateful. But it's just that it is very plain and simple. It's a greed of mine, which is I want more views. And with that said, I'm not abandoning my second channel or anything like that. I'm actually gonna keep my second channel and use that channel as like a vlog kind of channel. Uh, Basically what it is I'll only upload like a drawing video on my first channel. So like a could be a watercolor, could be Copic, could be paint on my main channel, and I'll upload videos like this, so like a kind of relaxed kind of vibe, and just me doing just drawing really on my second channel. Uh, Now, how is this gonna work out, or am I able to do it and manage it? I have no idea because I've never really done it before, obviously. But it's always good to try out. If it gets too hard or anything, then I won't abandon it. I'll just decrease the uploading. I guess what would the word be? Schedule. I'll decrease my upload frequency. So what I'm trying to say is I'll use this channel to upload loads of anime speed drawings. Anything you guys want me to draw, put it in the comment section below, and I'll get around to it when I have time. And I'll use my second channel as a vlog channel where I just vlog and draw basically. So I know with all this hassle and some people might not like it and some people might like it. I understand if you don't like it and dislike my video and hate me forever, but this is what I want, and there's nothing to it. It's just pure greed, and I'm really sorry to people who abandoned my main channel when I said, my second when I announced my second channel. But this is it. I'm gonna use my main channel again. I know this video seems really repetitive, but I just don't know how to say it to you guys. For especially people on my main channel who I have not uploaded in 2 years. But anyways, guys, so I'll be uploading anime drawings on my main channel and just random vlogs on my second channel. So it should be fun. I mean, having two channels is always fun, right, guys? So please understand why I made this choice, guys. It's just purely for my own greed, and nothing else, nothing more, nothing less. And sorry for causing all the hassle or the problems you might have going for my changes. But anyways, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe if you want more. And take care, everybody.